As of December 9th, 2025, I am officially a Uber Eats delivery driver, self-employed independent contractor, and I will be delivering on my brand new hiboy U2 electric scooter. This will be an unboxing, basic unboxing. My, one or two handed here, so it's not going to be the very best unboxing you've ever seen. Just the basic unboxing. But these are a few things that I purchased. You gotta have a helmet. Got the helmet for around $27. It's an Ozark Trail. It has been rated or certified. Complies with the ZPSC safety standards for bicycle helmets. This was around $27 at Walmart. Had it delivered. Phone charge at Walmart. Around like $19. Perfect. Kryptonite. Got that from Walmart as well. Level 4 security. It's been it has an independent laboratory test. Level 4 security. The bungee, it's actually adjustable from I think 10 inches to 48 inches. Got that from Walmart as well. The hiboy came from Best Buy, and I picked it up. It was a same day pickup. Well, actually, I ordered it around maybe like 5 in the morning, and it was ready before they opened. So this will be a quick unboxing. Like I said, I'm like one or two handed here, so it's not going to be the best unboxing. But yeah, so I'm officially an Uber driver, and I will be delivering on my electric scooter by hiboy, the hiboy U2. So let's start unboxing and check it out. These just might be the very best cup holders on the market. They're like fully enclosed, so there's no chance of your cups falling out. And the 2-pack, you save $5. So if you want more than one, you save $5 for a 2-pack. They're about a little under $18 for the 2-pack, $11.50 for the 1-pack. And this is Amazon. It was a 1-day delivery. I'll be receiving them today. Order from Walmart fast online. This is $25.98. you'll be saving $104.01. The retail for it is $129.99. It inflates all types of tires, and it was from Walmart. It will be delivered, I think, today or tomorrow. So give it a look. See, it's the Gooloo. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Gooloo tire inflator air compressor. Give it